Today's topic is method in string. First of all, my name is Atul Ashok Google Mugle, and I did complete my graduation in BE Mechanical. So I am from Ahmednagar district. So let's go to on our topic. Methods in Java. Uh, First of all, string. String is basically sequence of character, or the operation performed on the string means the operation performed on the different character or more than one character. So there are many methods to perform the operation on string. I explain the list of some list of characters, some list of methods. First of all, to carry to caret method, join method, string method, blank method, empty method, to uppercase method, to lowercase method, to join method, contains method, concat method, index method. These various type of methods are used in our methods in strings, or our performing operation on strings. First of all, I explain one by one methods. Then first method is to uppercase. In this uppercase, we perform the operation on the lowercase character, and the lowercase character is converting into uppercase by using the uppercase to uppercase method. Into uppercase declaration is basically string yes is equal to our character, and after that the our file name is file name dot our to uppercase, and sys out and print our output. So this all string character are converted into uppercase. Then to lowercase method. In to lowercase method, same as our to uppercase method. In different only different is in lowercase to lowercase method, the all string are converted into lowercase, uppercase to lowercase by using the to lowercase method, and the declaration is same as the and only difference is the file name dot to lowercase is a method name, changes only that. So to lowercase and to uppercase is two methods. After that, the joint method. In joint method, the two string s1 and s2 is joined with the help of our s1 dot join, and s2 is a method in join method. So this is our join method, and the after that the trim method is eliminate our character of character in the string. So there are trim method are used. In trim method, declaration is yes dot trim, and after that the trim is completed. So caret method is basically used to define our character with the help of our index. In caret method, the index input is put, then our output string output is displayed on our console. So this is our caret method. So after that the substring method. In substring method, used to display the string and the character in between the input input index. In caret method, its declaration is yes dot our substring yes dot our substring method substring, and the sys out is printed. So the yes is our file name. So this is our caret method. Contains method is same as our substring method. So there are many methods also using in our string. So thank you.